our YouTube channel. Please, if you're new here, kindly hit the subscribe button, like, share. Thank you. Okay, so today, stars, we are going to be showing you how to make your Nigerian jollof rice. Yes. So let's go. Let's go and make jollof rice.
For your jollof rice, you need protein, pepper mix, of course your rice, your spices, unsalted butter, chicken stock, green bell pepper, and spring onion. First, you parboil your washed rice and set that aside, okay? In a pot, saute your onion, fry your tomatoes and pepper mix. Let that fry for a few minutes. Keep stirring so your tomato paste doesn't get burnt. Go in with your bay leaves and spices, any spices of your choice. After some few minutes, pour in your washed rice and stir properly. Add your chicken stock and enough water to cook the rice. Then cover with a foil and allow to cook properly. Stars, at this point, your jollof rice is almost done. Finally, add your bell pepper, spring onion, and unsalted butter to give that burst of flavor. Give it one final stir and allow to cook on very low heat. Stars, your Nigerian jollof is ready to be served. At this point, trust me, the aroma was everywhere. Look at that. Damn, I dey cook fire. So stars, would you be trying this? Please let us know in the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. See you guys in the next video. Bye.